Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So this first one looks like it involves some popsicle sticks. This looks like a very beginner-friendly project to me so far. Got the chalk paint going on. Looks like she might be making like a wall, a wall planter. Oh, that's cute. I really like how she put the fairy lights in. Oh, that's magical. That would be cute outdoors too. And then we have a pendant light DIY. Wow. Can you imagine paying $1,000 for a pendant light? I mean, if you got it like that, hey. So they are using like a paper mache technique for this, huh? Very interesting. Cardboard that they boiled. Some Elmer's glue and joint compound. A workout ball. Okay, so this looks like it involves a lot. Okay, so they're using the workout ball as like a way to do the shaping and the molding. Now, this is the type of project that you can do if you're crafty, because I would have looked at the price tag and been like, oh, $1,000, I'm not buying that. And just went on my way to find like a cheaper alternative. But I like the fact that this person was able to like find some materials and do their own thing for a cheaper amount. Like, I love this. And then of course they painted it like that gray tone, because honestly I thought they were going to be using like cement for this, but this is just awesome. Okay, so they had to obviously drill a hole into the top, and then they got the lighting. Wow. Oh, I love their space. And they made two. Yeah, because you just had to pay $1,000 for one. That's it. Just $1,000 for one. Wow. So smart. All right, so here we have another ceiling light DIY. Now, I have no idea what this is that she's using for this. Oh, there we go. I still have no idea what that is though, I'm gonna be honest. But I guess you can find it at your local Home Depot, and there is the result. Ooh. This is another one of those lightings where it's probably like super expensive to like, you know, actually buy it from the store. So here we have the light actually being used. This looks so high end too. I love it. Ooh. Oh, look at the casting on the ceiling. That is so pretty. Wow, remarkable. That is gorgeous. And since you are making, you know, these kind of DIYs by yourself, obviously you can make them as big or as little as you want to. That's what's so much fun about doing your own DIY decor. You can decide how you want it to be done. You could also do a different color. You could easily spray paint the material that she used. I'm not even gonna try to attempt to say the name because I don't want you guys coming for me in the comments and me butchering it, because I know it's gonna happen. So here we have a furniture flip. Okay, so she's using a spray paint gun for this. So this is an easy one. You're just taking a piece of furniture that you don't like the color of and spray painting it something you do love. So she went with like an ivory. I love this piece. This is so pretty. Cute little like console table. She's got the vases going there, a lot of neutrals. Looks so nice and peaceful. And then she has the lanterns going there on the side. Oh, this looks so relaxing. So pretty. I can only dream of like looking at stuff like this because right now there are toys all over my house. I have a 2-year-old, so those days where everything is like kept neat and tiny are not happening these days. So anyway, so we have someone here with their oven range and they decided to spray paint this. So they wanted to go with more of like a gold. Wow. You know, I just had a thought. A black and gold kitchen would be so beautiful. You guys know I am obsessed with black and gold, but I'm just like visioning this like black and gold design. Oh, so she used the gold as like a nice pop against the whites. So pretty. I'd be terrified though to spray paint the oven range or the hood range, whatever it's called. You guys know what it is. DIY hack. So I am so jealous that they still have a Kmart in Australia. Like I just found this out on TikTok. I was like, oh my gosh, they still, you know, I'm from Chicago in the States. And I was like, oh, they still have a Kmart. Like I used to love going to that store growing up. They would have like the best clothing. We could get like our back to school clothing. Anyway, so they have this lamp and she sawed it in half. Looks like she's sanding it. Gluing the pieces. And then going with an ivory color. This is by the same woman who did the console table, by the way, and the oven range. So she likes a lot of neutral colors, and then she goes with like more golds and blacks to kind of make things pop, and that's kind of like my style as well. So she used a puck light here. Oh, she made wall sconces. Okay, I was wondering where she was going with that. So she took a lamp and turned it into wall sconces. That is pretty clever. I mean, I do have to have that thought like, well, why not just buy wall sconces? But maybe this is what she envisioned and she couldn't find any that she liked. So she took a lamp and turned them into wall sconces. I think that's pretty cool. All right, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out these DIY project ideas and my reactions. If you did, please be sure to like the video, and I will see you in the next one.